Howdy y'all, this is Grant Vine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're about to see this really cool courtyard area. I can't wait to show it off to you. But before we do, there is a dog wash area, really nice dog spa, dog wash area that's here right next to the courtyard. So super cool to see this. And then there is a really nice courtyard. I mean, look at all that's going on here. Let's start with over here on the right. Just a really pretty area to chill out. This is really cool. I love the hammocks. I love all the cool seating over here, and then there's an actual dog park here too. So I love the dog park. That's really cool. All of the grilling that you can do here. There's two grilling stations. That's really nice. And then they've got their own pickleball court. So how cool is that? It's actually right here. That's a really cool courtyard. This is probably one of the best ones I've seen. And it didn't end because now there's a putting green. There's a putting green here so you can get your putts in. This is a really fun, well-designed courtyard. This really is a great looking courtyard. Hey, if you've got any questions or you're ready to tour, I recommend a virtual tour. Let's set up a virtual tour for you. It's free, no risk, and you can see you get personalized attention on that virtual tour. It's live. So send me a request in for that and we'll set that up.